Guangdong Coretamp Packaging Technology Company Limited is located in Jiaoda Entrepreneurship Park, Shishan Town, Nanhai District, Foshan City, next to Foshan West Railway Station, only a 45-minute drive from Guangzhou, and only a 2-hour drive from Shenzhen and Hong Kong with convenient transportation. Coretamp is a high-tech manufacturing enterprise specializing in manufacturing packaging equipment, integrating R&D, design, production, sales, and after-sales service. At present, there are many series of packaging machines such as powder packaging machines, granule packaging machines, liquid packaging machines, paste packaging machines, single and double row packaging machines, multi-row packaging machines, and packaging lines, which are widely used in medicine, health products, food, and other industries. Coretamp has passed ISO 9001 certification, CE certification, and we can provide ODM and OEM services. We customize overall solution packaging solutions according to customer needs to make packaging more efficient. Provide after-sales installation, debugging, training, free maintenance, and other technical support. We sell packaging machines to South America, North America, Africa, the Middle East, Southeast Asia, Europe, Oceania, such as Mexico, the United States, Chile, the United Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, Vietnam, Poland, Australia. Coretamp has won the favor of customers with its excellent quality, preferential prices, and excellent pre-sales and after-sales services. Domestic and foreign customers are welcome to visit and negotiate business. Let us develop together for mutual benefit and maintain long-term friendship.